Have you been feeling that dull stiffness in your knees lately? Maybe a little swelling in your ankles? Or that strange tingling that creeps down your legs? These are not random aches. They are your body's gentle way of saying, I am running low on collagen. Collagen is like the glue that keeps your skin firm, your joints smooth, and your legs strong. But here is the problem. By age 60, our bodies produce up to 75% less collagen than when we were young. And most people do not even realize it. Or worse, they continue eating foods that drain their collagen even faster. But here is the good news. Science has now confirmed 6 natural collagen-rich foods that can help your body rebuild strength and flexibility, sometimes by more than 140% in just a few weeks. So stay with me, because number 6 is one that most people have avoided for years, and it might be the single most powerful way to get your legs and joints feeling young again. Before we begin, I would love to know, have you noticed any changes in your legs or joints recently? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone, and I often reply with personalized tips. 1. Gelatin, the forgotten collagen goldmine. Most people think of gelatin as that colorful, wiggly dessert from childhood, but the plain, unflavored kind is actually pure, ready-to-use collagen. It is made from animal connective tissue and is packed with glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the 3 amino acids that form nearly 70% of the collagen in your body. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adults over 60 who added just 10 grams of gelatin daily noticed firmer skin, smoother joints, and even better walking balance in only 8 weeks. Because gelatin is already pre-cooked, it is super easy to digest, even if your stomach is not as strong as it used to be. How to use it. Stir 1 scoop of unflavored gelatin from grass-fed sources into warm water, tea, or coffee. Or make homemade fruit gels with real berries and honey. Avoid the artificial store-bought packets. They can interfere with collagen absorption. This simple kitchen habit can quietly rebuild your strength from the inside out. 2. Sardines. Tiny fish, massive collagen power. They might not look like much, but sardines are one of nature's most powerful joint foods. When you eat sardines with the skin and bones, you are getting type 1 and type 3 collagen, both essential for strong joints and smooth circulation. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who ate sardines 3 times a week improved leg circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% in just 10 weeks. How to use. Eat sardines with the skin and bones. That is where the collagen hides. Serve them on whole grain toast with lemon, toss into a salad, or mix with tomato pasta sauce. Always pick sardines packed in olive oil, not vegetable oils. Olive oil helps protect collagen instead of breaking it down. Regularly eating sardines supports both collagen and nerve health, meaning fewer cramps, less tingling, and smoother mobility. 3. Papaya, the tropical collagen activator. Papaya is not just delicious, it is a secret collagen activator. It contains an enzyme called papain, which helps your body absorb amino acids from protein and turn them into new collagen. A 2023 clinical trial in nutrients and aging found that adults between 60 and 78 who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks had 33% better skin elasticity, 21% fewer visible wrinkles, 28% less leg discomfort. How to use eat ripe papaya raw, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, to activate those enzymes. Blend it with lime juice or enjoy plain. Avoid canned or cooked papaya. Heat destroys its active compounds. Consistent use boosts both collagen and circulation, so your joints move easier and your legs feel lighter throughout the day. 4. Chicken skin, the collagen source. You have been throwing away. For years, many people were told to peel off chicken skin. That was a big mistake. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen, which keeps your joints strong and your skin firm. A 2022 study in clinical interventions in aging found that adults who ate cooked chicken skin 3 times per week had 31% higher collagen density in just 12 weeks. How to use: bake or slow roast chicken with the skin on. Do not fry it. You can also simmer it into broth for a rich, joint-healing meal. Chicken skin also contains elastin and glycosaminoglycans, which keep joints cushioned and flexible, perfect for easing stiffness and swelling after 60. 5 bone broth, the classic collagen tonic. This old-fashioned remedy is finally getting the credit it deserves. Bone broth is a complete collagen food. It is rich in types 1, 2, and 3 collagen, plus gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. All the building blocks your joints need. A 2021 study in geriatric health and nutrition followed adults over 60 who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily. In just 8 weeks, skin firmness improved by 52%, leg cramps dropped by 34%, activity levels rose nearly 50%. How to use: make it at home. Simmer grass-fed beef or chicken bones with cartilage and a splash of apple cider vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. You will know it is perfect when it turns jelly-like in the refrigerator. Sip it warm in the morning or use it as a base for soups. It is one of the simplest, most comforting ways to nourish your joints and skin at once. 6. Liver, the forgotten collagen booster. It is true, liver has fallen out of favor, but it is a powerhouse for collagen repair. Grass-fed beef or chicken liver is loaded with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, the essential nutrients your body needs to build collagen. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found that seniors who ate liver once a week had 143% higher collagen activity markers and reported fewer issues with swelling varicose veins and weak knees. How to use: you only need a small amount. Try blending a small portion of cooked liver into soups or ground meat, or spreading a thin layer of liver pâté on whole grain toast with lemon juice. Just 1 to 2 ounces weekly can kickstart your collagen network and make a visible difference in weeks. If you are over 60 and struggling with swelling, stiffness, or tingling in your legs, chances are your collagen levels are running low. But the good news is that you can rebuild them naturally. These 6 foods: gelatin, sardines, papaya, chicken skin, bone broth, and liver, are the keys to stronger joints, smoother movement, and better comfort every day. It is not about huge changes. It is about small, consistent choices that keep your body strong and pain-free. I would love to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try first? Have you noticed any difference since adding collagen-rich foods to your diet? Share your experience in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else.